Hi, welcome. I have not been to the mall yet. I've lived here in San Diego for a few months, going on 6, going on 5. So yeah, I went there very briefly to get my eyes checked at LensCrafters, but I was on a mission, was being very good that day and didn't indulge in any shopping endeavors. So anyways, I'm gonna go to the mall because I can't figure out this lampshade thing, and for whatever reason I just won't pull the trigger and order something. I don't know. I'm hoping to find something, and yeah, I don't really have anything else to say other than I just finished this book, Animal. It came out a couple years ago, so you may have read it, but holy moly, this is a messed up book and it was really good. So as long as you don't have any triggers regarding SA, you will enjoy it. Yeah, super messed up, really good. Anyways, so that's that. Yeah, I'm gonna go to the mall and I'm gonna show you right now what I worked on with my dining table, which you haven't seen in the space yet, but I'll show you that in a little bit. And then I'll see you at the mall. I'm gonna take the dining table outside. I'm gonna wash it. And then I got I should go grab them, hang on. I got 2 things for my table. I'm wearing my sticker today because it's November 5th and I already voted ahead of time, but I wanted people to know that I voted. So, Shrimpy, you have to stop. So I wore my sticker that came in the mail with my ballot. Okay, gel stain. This is oil-based. I learned at Home Depot while I was doing research. You can gel stain, which is why I went to go get it, wood things without sanding. Okay, so I'm gonna give my table a deep clean, and then I'm gonna use the gel stain. I went with hickory. I wanted it to be a warm dark wood because that's what I like. I like a vintage look. I didn't want more muted dark woods. It's kind of like trendy right now. I wanted something that's just gonna be more timeless. I don't know how long I'm gonna have this table, but I want it to be timeless. So I also got an oil-based polyurethane high gloss top coat because I want it to be a really high gloss look. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'll check in at some point. So I finished washing it and now it's drying out, and it actually, I think the person before me must have used a gel stain because it's all, I'll just show you. It looks very much like raw wood. So I'm actually gonna sand the top because you can kind of see it's like, you know, fuzzy. I don't know why. The rest of it is fine though. So that's my little interlude. I love it so much. Just one coat of stain, it looks really good. So I'm excited to do the gloss coat, but it looks really good. Design Within Reach to see if there were any light fixtures, and how embarrassing. The sales associate was like, "Is that a Wassily chair on your arm?" Yes. Wildly unsuccessful for light fixtures, incredibly successful for buying literally anything else. So I'll do a haul when I get home. Okay, I'm gonna show Elliot what I got. So he's filming. Okay. So we are down to one Eevee Coupe. Found out the name of them. From CB2. So I got 3 more.
Nice, babe. Yeah, I broke some.
He broke all of them. Alright. Finally have a pillow for my sofa. And it's the exact same color as the chairs.
Oh, wow.
Isn't that crazy?
Wow.
Wow. Whatever, I just got a couple of sleeves of Nespresso. Nobody cares. These are seasonal flavors.
I care.
Yeah. Almond croissant. And then I went into Uniqlo and I got Elle a white Henley because he's been wanting one.
Let's go.
I think it's gonna be the right size.
Okay.
I held it up to myself to tell.
Okay.
I also got myself this little pair of boxer shorts. They're for men. But I was like, I thought I was gonna beat you home and I was like, oh, cozy, I'm gonna wear that and wear the shorts.
I'll probably end up wearing them too.
Whatever, I've been wanting a red lip, so I got one. Obviously. And actually, Elle can vouch that that is true.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know why, but I'm like doing this in order of how I purchased them. Because then I went to Aesop. I got some more incense sticks, which is why I went in. I was like, oh, I'll grab some incense. But I got a different scent this time. I got the Sarashina, which is sandalwood, clove, and cinnamon.
$73 for 6 sticks.
Yes. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, they're expensive. Whatever. The lady at Aesop told me I work really hard and I deserve it. And I don't care that she was just trying to sell me stuff because she's right.
She was right.
And I needed to hear that because I was having a lot of buyer's guilt. I got myself a hand cream because my hands have been so dry. Okay, this was an impulse buy, of course. They all were. I went for their light pendant. This was the coolest shop, Elliot. I took a video, so I'll show you. I didn't take any of the inside. It was gorgeous. It was like a very like British kind of shop, wallpapered, gorgeous like gold detail and like mirrors and stuff. It's a liquor store. It was the most beautiful liquor store I've ever been in. So I got Old Tom Gin, which is a gin. She told me that it's aged a little bit in oak barrels. And if you remember my York gin that I got when I was in York,
I do.
The one that I loved the most was Old Tom Gin.
Oh, nice.
And whatever, it was like the same price as like Hendrix, but it says true English.
It's gonna taste like London.
Diamonds of London. Love it. And gift with perch.
No, Ron, you can't.
And then I got this little mezcal because packaging.
Oh, sick.
Right?
Yeah.
You understand why I had to get this one.
I totally do.
Yeah.
Madre got a bowl.
Such good packaging.
That would fit perfectly in my back pocket.
Yeah, of course. And then little gift with purchase bag. That's...
And it's pink.
the weight of my heart.
It's pink, babe.
Ooh. Okay. And then I would not have bought this if the sign was not $50 off. How to easily get me to buy something? $50? I actually have been wanting since last winter.
Don't you have one?
No.
Okay.
I have a red sweater. It's completely different.
Yeah, yeah.
But I tried it on and the girl in the shop, she was like, wait, now I want it because of how cute it looks with your jeans. She's like, I'm actually going to buy it now. Who knows if she was gassing me up or not, but I believe her. How do you see?
It's very red, babe. Christmas.
It's so cute. So that's my haul from the mall. table is obviously in. Really pleased with how it turned out. We probably need to sand the top and poly it, but at the same time, I just don't want to. So that's probably not gonna happen. I also, can you see? I also did the curtains. I will link the fabric, but I just split them. I got a tension rod from Walmart. And yeah, so it can be like this. Cute. Or if we need more, we normally leave them closed because really the priority was privacy, but that's that. So there comes a time in every interior girly's life that we think that we can recreate something and we fail. I tried making a pendant shade. I was trying to create this. And Elliot came home and he was like, this is bad. It's fine. It's humbling. But I'm still on the hunt for something better. I haven't put the original back up, and honestly, maybe I should try it and see how I feel. But anyways, this dining room is still not done. I still can't find the right pendant shade for what I want. I have something just like specific in my head, and if I could find it, I'd be good. But I can't. I put this back up for now. We just went to a couple of stores because I'm on the hunt for a coffee table and obviously the pendant, and we struck out. So pretty pleased with where we're at with this little mini transformation. But I'm gonna sign this video off here. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your kind words on my last video. I really do appreciate it. I'm hard on myself. But it's a YouTube thing because YouTube kind of punishes you when you aren't consistent. So anyways, thank you for those of you that are consistently watching, regardless of how consistent I'm posting. And I'll see you in the next one. Love you. Bye.